All right, hey guys, part 2 of 2 here. This is after 30-second cleaner, about an hour. I did another part of the house, so this looks pretty good. I mean, yeah, it's gonna miss a few spots, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It looks pretty good, pretty clean, and especially underneath the windows, it was really disgusting, but it did pretty good. As you can tell, I just did underneath there too, so that was actually worse along the back gutter line there. So all in all, it is messy. It does make a big mess, but it does a good job. So if you don't mind getting dirty for a while, it's a great product and does a great job. So 30-second cleaner, Home Depot, about $30 for the 2.5 gallon refill, and about $15 for the single connection to hook up to your hose line. But yeah, it's got bleach in it. It says that the products are safe for plants and shrubs, so if bleach trickles down, it shouldn't be too big of a deal. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So check it out. I'll try to post a link below. Check out video 1, and then be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Take care and stay tuned for the next video.